Can you imagine being compensated with money for each Google search you make? You can make money whenever you want. If you're interested in making money by simply clicking links, then you're in for a treat because I'm going to be showing you how to do just that in this video. It's crazy to think that you can earn paper cash by simply searching on Google and clicking on links without any applications, interviews, or screenings. This is a fast job that you can do in your spare time to earn some more money, or you can just use this strategy to have a few extra dollars in your wallet. Hello and welcome to Roladel Business, where earnings should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. So make sure to subscribe to Roladel Business and set up your notification bell so that you are informed anytime I release a new video on how to make money online like this. Also, please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below. Now let's get started. As I'm sure you all know about Google, which is the largest and most popular website as well as a search engine right now. No website has ever been as popular as google.com, and because of this, many people think Google is an internet, and I'm confident that you are aware of the fact that hundreds of millions of people visit daily and that you use Google yourself. So I want to reveal something to you right now. Let's say we are looking for a neighborhood cafe or any kind of establishment anywhere in the world, such as a hotel, a restaurant, a gym, and many more. I will only use a neighborhood cafes as an example in this video. Don't worry, you won't need to get in touch with any of those companies. If you use this technique, you are under no obligation to sell anything. The only thing you need to do is click on links, but let me first show you how. Let's imagine you want to visit a nearby cafe for a meal, so use Google to look out nearby eateries. As you can see, Google will then display this result for you. You'll probably choose one from the first page that you like and wish to eat with. You won't bother to scroll down to the second page or beyond, which is typically what occurs. Therefore, those cafes are on the 5th page, the 10th page, or even the 2nd page typically don't get any clicks and lose a lot of money, since whenever someone searches for a local cafes online, they automatically choose those that are on the 1st page. And because of this, big firms and enterprises are willing to spend millions of dollars only to rank well on Google in order to draw a new client through search. It involves the application of the search engine optimization technique, as well as SEO. Search engines like Google use SEO to judge a site's worth and how high to rank it. When consumers search for a phrase, for instance, if you search for a term and click on a web page, then browse about for a while, it will have a higher ranking from Google because it is a good site. Businesses are willing to spend a lot of money to be at the top of search results on Google because it is the most popular search engine in the world right now. Let's proceed to the next phase right away. I want you to go to Google and key in Mozilla Firefox in the search field. That is another browser. Indeed, Mozilla Firefox, not Google Chrome, on this page of their official website, mozilla.org. Click the download Firefox button if you want to install this web browser. Firefox is a browser, so don't panic. It's the same as Google Chrome and Apple Safari. However, it's crucial that you install and use Mozilla Firefox for this video, since this technique will be unique to this browser. So once you've installed Mozilla Firefox, I want you to visit google.com once more, but this time use the Firefox browser and search for serplix.com into the search box. You can view the serplix.com homepage here, and as you can see on the homepage, serplix.com helps the people improve their search engine ranks. It does this by growing your SEO rankings utilizing crowd-clicking traffic. These folks also offer real clickers and ranking services. Let's assume you own a business and want to spend part of your money on search engine marketing, so that when people look for your industry, your business will show up on top of the list and be most likely to draw in customers. Now that we've accomplished our goal of coming here, let's make money. I want you to scroll to the bottom of this page and click on Become a Clicker in the account section. As you can see, we want to click on links in order to make some money. Each click we get between 10 cents, and the minimum payout is $5, which means it will need 50 clicks to reach it. That's fantastic, right? The next step is to scroll down once more until you reach the icon that says click here to join the network, and once you click on it, you'll be directed to the registration page where you can begin filling out all the required information. This service is available everywhere in the world and it's free. Just enter your email address, a password, and your PayPal account information. At this point, since this is where they will send you the money you earned from clicking, it is essential to install the serplix.com extension for Mozilla Firefox. Please note that only Firefox is compatible with this. Google Chrome is not. You can get the Serplix Simply.com browser extension by clicking on it right now. This is what will bring money for us. You are then prepared to begin earning money. It shouldn't take long to install. Just so you know, once you've earned $5 on Simply.com, as I indicated previously, pay you the money automatically at the beginning of each month. Simply now only handles PayPal payment requests once each month, and if you don't need the required minimum payout for that month, the remaining balance will roll over to the following month. Overall, Simply.com is the ideal place to be if you're looking for a new approach to make money with websites that take little to no effort and no prior work experience. What you must do is likely something you already do every day. Look for information and click on links. So that concludes today's terrific tutorial. Now that you have the strategy, it's up to you to carry it through. If you learned anything useful or something new today, be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment with your thoughts, queries, and experiences using this method. What you put into this method is what you will get out of it. Subscribe to Roladel Business and turn on notifications to be the first to know when we release a new money making strategy that might completely change your life and finances. We appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the next video.